Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here. I'm Jared and I'm a psychotherapist. I mainly work with people with functional neurological disorders and chronic pain. If you woke up with a headache today, then this video is for you. Headaches can be very debilitating. For me, I grew up with lots of headaches as a teenager, and sometimes these headaches would turn into migraines. Now, for me as a therapist, I look at headaches and or migraines as just symptoms of something underlying. Sometimes I've worked with people with chronic migraines and chronic headaches. And one thing you can do to reduce the pain that you're experiencing from headaches and migraines is by doing breathing exercises. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to walk you step by step on what to do so that these pains that you're experiencing can diminish or eventually go away. You're going to learn two different things first, though. The first step that you need to understand is that you can lean into the feeling of pain. So if you have headache or any sort of migraine, you can close your eyes and then feel that pain just a little bit. You're not going to spend a lot of time doing that. And the difficulty most people have with these headaches and migraines is that the pain is so much and it's always in their mind. And because it's always in their mind, it feels difficult to let go of the pain because it's just right there. You just want everything to shut down. You don't want anybody to talk to you, or you just want to be left alone most of the time. Sometimes, too, actually, I've worked with people, and this was true for me too, that despite of my headache, I would still do the same thing, go through the same routine and everything else, but it would affect my mood. It would make me feel more irritable. So when you are leaning into that feeling of pain, I think one of the best things you can do is just sit down and close your eyes and then feel where that pain is coming from. Now, the second step here, the most important part, is to learn how to move away from feeling that pain and then shifting your attention to something else. Now, this something else is going to be your breath, and I'm going to teach you specifically how to breathe so that your feelings of pain can diminish or eventually go away. So just find a comfortable spot. You can close your eyes as well. Now, I don't have a headache right now, but I'm going to pretend that I have a headache, okay? And then kind of walk you through the step-by-step process here. You can close your eyes. And then after you close your eyes, lean into the feeling of pain. The feeling of pain from the headache can come from around your temples, sometimes on the back of your head, sometimes on top of your head. You might also experience other feelings of pain anywhere else, but for this video, let's just lean into the headache. And then as you feel that headache in your head, I want you to recognize your breath. Notice how you are breathing. There's a good chance that you're breathing shallow, short breaths. So what you're going to want to do is feel your breath. Just know where you are right now in your breath. Notice your shallow breathing. All right, good. And then I want you to extend your exhalation just by about maybe 2 or 1 second longer. So regular inhalation here, but extend the exhalation to 1 or 2 more seconds. The exhalation should be relaxed, should be soft, should be gentle. Okay, good. Now let's take this exhalation up one more level, okay? If you can make the exhalation as if you're sighing, like this. Like that. And see how that feels in your body. Okay. And that's what we're going to do. So whatever duration inhalation you normally do, whatever's comfortable for you, just make sure it's not quick and sharp inhalation. So really regular, normal inhalation. The exhalation, if you can extend it to 1 or 2 more seconds, and it just feel like a sigh. And if you do this practice, that can eliminate your headache, or at the very least, reduce the effects of it. Because what this is going to do is going to reduce the sympathetic nerves that you have that are activated a little bit more because of the headache. When you reduce the activation of these sympathetic nerves, these fight and flight nerves, then you can definitely reduce your headache. Okay, so let's give it 5 minutes to practice this guided meditation to reduce your headache. Here we go. All right, so go ahead and find a comfortable space. You can sit down, and I'd like to invite you to close your eyes to really feel your body during this meditation. And as you close your eyes, I'd like you to lean in to the feeling of your headache. Just know where your headache is coming from. It might come from the back of your head, your sides, your temples. And I'd like to encourage you to have this internal dialogue within yourself. Just ask yourself, what do I feel because of this headache? Is the pain throbbing? Is it achy? Does it feel dull or sharp? And just see if you can describe the sensation of your headache. And as you describe the sensation of your headache, I'd like you to slowly and gently shift your attention to your breath. Notice how you're breathing. And just keep noticing your breath. It's quite normal and happens to many people to breathe shallow because of the headache, because it is quite painful. So what you're going to want to do now is to extend the exhalation a bit longer while keeping the inhalation the same. So breathe in or inhale normally as you would, just soft and gentle inhalations. And then the exhalation, see if you can make it longer by 1 or 2 seconds. You can exhale through the mouth or through the nose, whatever is more comfortable to you. And just allow the inhalation to take place. When you're exhaling, you are not exhaling to completely empty your lungs. You're just exhaling just for a little bit longer than usual. And feel the contraction of your chest as you exhale. Feel the expansion of your chest as you inhale. You might also feel your heartbeat. All right, you're doing wonderful here. The next step is to have your exhalation feel more like a sigh. And when you do this, you'll be able to feel your shoulders or your upper body or your torso slowly come down during the exhalation period. So feel your body inhale and then sigh during the exhalation. Keeping the duration the same, having that extended 1 or 2 seconds longer duration. And feel your breath. Feel the flow of your breath, the gentle movements of your body. Feel the pull of gravity. It will feel as though gravity is pulling you down further into the seat. And you will feel that when you exhale. Keep feeling for this sensation. And then, at any point that your mind and your attention shifts to the feeling of pain, just gently bring it back to how it feels in your body to breathe. And then just allow your body to breathe in this gentle and soft way. All right, now slowly bring your attention to the room, still keeping your eyes closed. And then, when you feel like you are ready, you can open your eyes slowly. Allow the light to come in to your eyes. Still feeling your breath. And be mindful of this transition to the conclusion of our session today. All right, let me know if you've tried this practice so I can provide more specific guidance for you. Let me know of your experience, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments as well, okay? I'll see you again.